So, welcome back, Standard 8. In lecture number 4, we have done exercise 1.3. Now, this is lecture number 5. Lesson number 1 is going on rational and irrational numbers. Exercise 1.4. In that, question number 1, complete the following activity. There are many things written in the question. That much question I am not writing here because of the lack of space. The figure is given, and from this figure we have to complete the activity. So what is that? Point wise I will go. First of all, we will discuss what is given in the figure. This is 0. That point is O point. 0, O point. Then from this to the left it is -1. This way. Here -2 and so on. To the right of 0, this is 1. And then root 2 is shown on the number line. What they have done is, this distance is 1. So this distance is also 1. This to this. Let me check whether they have given any name to that point. Yes, it is R point. This point is R. This point is Q. This QR distance is also 1. Though they have not mentioned on the number line to show the root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 6, all these numbers, the vertical distance is always 1. So, on that basis, some questions are given. The point Q represents root 2 on the number line. C will represent root 3 on the number line. Okay. This QR distance is 1. This much knowledge you should know from the figure. And then now we will see what they want. The point Q on the number line shows the number. Point Q on the number line shows the number Bunty. What does this show? Point Q, this is Q, it shows root 2. So here you will write root 2 and give a box. Then number 2. By drawing a line L perpendicular to the number line is drawn through the point Q. Point R is at a unit distance. This point R is at a unit distance, means the distance is 1. By drawing the segment OR, a right angle triangle ORQ. See this ORQ, this is a right angle triangle. So, the fourth I will take, because in the first two steps, in the first step something is there. In the second is there is nothing to write. In the third also there is nothing to write. They have given something. Length OQ is equal to root 2. Length QR. This length is 1. So, by Pagoti means Pythagoras theorem, length OR square is equal to length OQ square plus length QR square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? You know. hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. In triangle ORQ, this is 90 degree. So the side opposite to 90 degree is called as the hypotenuse. So OR is opposite to 90 degree. So OR is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. Hypotenuse name is OR. So OR square is equal to OQ square plus QR square. This is written here. There. This is equal to. Now, what will be here plus what will be here, that we have to complete. OQ is how much? OQ is root 2. So it will be root 2 square. OR is how much? It is 1. Its square. So that is equal to box plus box. Root 2 square is nothing but root 2 square is nothing but root 2 into root 2. That is equal to root of 4. And 4 is a square of 2. So root 4 is nothing but 2. So root 2 square will be 2. 1 square means 1 into 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. And that is equal to box is how much? 3. Therefore, length OR, it is a square. So I will write the square root of this. Square root of this will be under root 3. So this way, this is OR. So now, question number 2. Show root 5 on the number line. This question is complete. I am going ahead. I am going for the question number 2. At least one question from this exercise is compulsorily asked for the examination. At least one question from this exercise. So be prepared for this exercise. Question 2. Show root 5 on the number line. So we have to draw a number line first. So I will draw a number line first. This is a number line. Here suppose it is -1. This distance will be 0. Then equal distances 1, 2 and this will be here 3. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. I have to show root 5 on the number line. So it is definitely beyond these two because 2 square is equal to 4 and 5 means 4 plus 1. So definitely the number which we want root 5 will be ahead of this. So root 5 will be ahead of this. So from this we will draw a perpendicular like this. 90 degree. Take a distance 1. This is 1. This distance I will take here. This is 1. This point is O. This point is A. And this will be B point. Draw a segment like this. So in right angle triangle OAB, hypotenuse is OB, one side is OA, other side is AB. So we will write something. In the figure, OA equal to 2. OA equal to 2 because A point represents 2. So OA will be 2. We call it length, so we will write length of OA. Length of AB is equal to how much? This perpendicular distance we always take 1. 1. In right angle triangle, RT triangle means right angle triangle, OAB. OB square equal to length OB, its square is equal to one side square plus other side square. One side means length OA, its square, plus other side is AB, length AB, its square. Therefore, this OA is how much? OA is 2, its square, plus length AB is how much? 1, its square. 2 square, meaning of 2 square is 2 square. The meaning of this is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 square is 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 square means 1 into 1. That is equal to 1. Therefore, this is equal to 5. But this is length of OB, its square. If I take the square root, here it will go in the under root side. Therefore, length OB is equal to root 5. So this length OB is equal to root 5. So this distance I will take in the compass and draw an arc like this. This point will be C point and this is root 5. Why this is so? This is root 5. This we have just seen, this is root 5. OB equal to root 5. Now this is the arc. This is the radius of a circle. This way if I put the arc, this distance and this distance will be same. So OB is equal to root 5 and this OC will be also root 5. Therefore, length OC, that is also root 5. Now we have to show the point. Therefore, point C shows or represents root 5 on the number line. Hope that you have understood this. I will take another example. Show root 7 on the number line. Okay. Show root 7 on the number line. From this itself we have to go ahead. Question number 3. Question 3. Show root 7 on the number line. As usual, we have to draw the figure. We have drawn the figure. But I want root 7 on the number line. Isn't it? Root 7 means I have to go ahead. I will draw a bigger line now, so that I can show it very properly. This is a number line. Here, from here I will take 0. Then this will be 1. This will be this much distance I will take 1. This much distance I will take 2. And this will be 3. So this is 1. this is 2 and this will be 3. 2 square means 4. So I have to start from 2. Because root 7, before that, which number have the perfect square root? No number has the perfect square root. So 2 square will be 4. So from here, if I take here 2.5 or something, it will be something else. We don't know which number I should take. But this 2 square is 4, that I can take. 1 square is 1. From here if I start, it will be a lengthy process. So from 2 square is equal to 4. From there I will start. Draw a perpendicular. Take this distance. This much distance is 1 unit. So same distance I will mark a R, and this is 1 unit. This is point A. This is point B. I will join from here to here. Don't start from here. Start from 0. Okay. This distance is 1. In triangle, in RT triangle, OAB, OA equal to how much? OA equal to 2, AB is equal to 1 as the earlier. Therefore, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. We write it in the length form. So length this way, length this and this way, length this. I will write it properly. OB, its length and its square. What is the reason for this? Pagoti. What is Pagoti? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Pagoti. What is that Pagoti? Hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. This is the hypotenuse. Why it is the hypotenuse? Because it is opposite to this 90 degree. Side next to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Side opposite to the 90 degree is called as the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse. This is one side, this is other side. Therefore, length OA is how much? 2. Its square plus AB is how much? 1. Its square. So 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1. And 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore, length OB is equal to root 5, taking the square root on both the sides. This is the reason given. Till now I have not given. We will give the reason. Taking square root on both sides. Both sides means both the sides. Understood? So, this much arc I will take. This to this. And draw an arc like this. This is point C. Therefore, OC is equal to also root 5. This OB is root 5. OB is root 5. This is the circle part. So this is also root 5. C point, and this is also root 5. This point A I will write here to avoid this all the khichdi. Now from here I will draw a perpendicular. This is your C point. From here draw a perpendicular like this. Mark a distance 1. This point is D. Same thing. Draw a perpendicular. This is one distance. This is also take one distance. Join this OD. Okay. Now in RT triangle, which is that OCD, OCD, OD square equal to OD square equal to what? One side is OC square, length OC its square plus length. This is one side. This is the other side, OD square. That is equal to length OC is how much? Root 5 its square plus OD is how much? 1 its square. Root 5 square. Root 5 square will be root 25, and root 25 means whose square is 25? 5. So this 5 plus 1 square will be 1, and that is equal to 6. Therefore, length of OD is how much? This OD square is equal to root. OD square is equal to 6. So OD is equal to how much? Root 6. Result, taking square root. Okay. OD is root 6. This is root 6. So from this, take this arc, draw like this. Draw a curve. And this point is E. This point will be E. And this is root 6. Again draw a perpendicular from this point. Like this. It is not coming properly. But if we take the scale proper and draw. Okay. Again, how much distance? 1. This point will be F. This distance is 1. Now from O to F, join. Join this O to F. Okay. Which triangle now? O, E, F. In RT triangle, RT means right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means angle, one angle is 90 degree. O, E, F. Which is the hypotenuse? This. OF square. Is equal to length OE square plus length EF square. Let's space, that's why I am just writing here. You will write here. That is equal to length OE is how much? Root 6 its square plus EF is how much? 1 square. Root 6 square will be 6. Always remember this. Root its square, root cancel. Root square means root cancel, and that is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, now OF square is equal to 7. So length OF is equal to root 7, taking SQR, square root. Now once again, draw the arc from this to this, O to F. Take this radius in the compass and draw the arc like this. This will be root 7. And here give the name EF, now the point G. Therefore OG equal to root 7. If OG is root 7, therefore point G represents किंवा shows root 7 on the number line. On the number line. So hope that you have understood this. So here we will complete this exercise. So now it is 10:10 in the night. So hope that whatever the trouble I have taken, you will use it properly. And tomorrow onwards, we will start with another lesson, that is the parallel lines and the transversals. The lesson number 2 that we will start in the next video. So bye till then. Hope that you will work hard